Okay, so Siddharth, very simple. I'll keep it very easy. What is that you like about this car?
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for having me on this special day with the new cool Audi Q5. There's so much to like. I love the tagline. Future is a new attitude.
Future is an attitude.
Future is an attitude, which is a really, really cool tagline. And I think when I look at this car, which I've driven in the past, it makes you, it definitely has an attitude. It's got a style. It's got a zippy look to it. And it kind of makes me feel like ki, ye dil mange more.
Wow, that's really nice.
I think that's all that I need from a car once you look at it. So I'm really excited for this launch. Yeah?
Thank you. That's really nice. Okay, now another question. What if you have the keys of these cars today? What will be on bucket list? Where would you want to go?
Don't tempt me, I'll take that offer then. Yeah. So, because I love outdoors. Yeah. I love outdoors, I like traveling. And post my recent film, which we shot in Leh Ladakh and Kargil, Sher Shah, they have one of the best roads in India. And I'm really looking forward to taking a car which I can possibly use on those terrains. So, I mean, I have a question for you. It looks really cool. It looks really stylish. You feel it can survive that terrain?
Well, I have to tell you 4 things. The very first and the very important thing is it's Q. That means it's Quattro.
Okay.
And this car is meant for any possible road, any possible terrain. So it helps and gives you confidence when you drive this car. And of course, it is also equipped with the 2-liter TFSI engine, which is really a powerful engine, which can take you many places. And the luxurious interiors that you get with the car, when you are in the cozy inside of this car, you will be in a different zone altogether. And to top it up, you have 19 speakers, Bang & Olufsen sound system, and that will take you into different emotions altogether. So I think it not just can manage any possible terrain, but it also gives you comfort and it engulfs you with luxury.
Amazing. That sounds really tempting, especially when you spoke about confidence and style. Okay, let me ask you. You obviously, you've seen this car, you've interacted with it. Which is your best feature of this car? What do you think is the best aspect of this spectacular car?
So while interacting with all our friends, I already mentioned a couple of things which I really like, especially the Bang & Olufsen system. But I think it is important when we talk about Audi, we also talk about technology. So I think from that point of view, the most important feature for me will be the mild hybrid technology that this car brings in. So while you're coasting, this system takes over and shuts off the engine, and it improves the efficiency at the same time, but also it's a technology marvel. So that is something which I really like about the car.
Lovely. That's what I like. For me, it's a complete car. A car says a lot about you, per se. I have had a very long journey in Mumbai where I've traveled in rickshaws and traveled in the Mumbai roads. And today I'm one of the lucky few who can possibly get this. So I'm really eager to know where and when and how do I get this car and for how much?
Well, before I, let's say, share the price of the car, it's also important to know very recently, just a couple of weeks back, we announced that we will start booking these cars. We opened up bookings. And I can tell you the response that I've got from our customers is really overwhelming. Even without the pricing, we have over 100 customers who have booked the cars with us. And we are about to start the deliveries immediately after the launch. And already for this year, we kind of are sold out. And we now book the cars for the next
year. So फिर मेरा क्या होगा?
But we'll find a way for you.
Please, come on, at least some.
I'll request one of our customers to let his car go and give it to you. So that's how it is. So really good response. But coming back to the pricing, the range for Audi Q5 starts at 58.93 lakhs in India. So that will be the pricing for our customers. I believe we have been able to really work very closely with the headquarters to get very good prices for our customers, and this will bring in a lot of, let's say, new customers and also our existing customers to our portfolio. And we will really do well and do wonders in the times to come.
No, absolutely. I think you get an amazing car which fits all the tick marks, which is style, confidence, and looks and performance at that price. So I'm really excited, guys, and looking forward to this launch. And I wish you guys all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.